Hello, I'm going to demonstrate safety on our shear in the welding shop. First of all, we have to have our personal protective equipment. We would want safety glasses, gloves to protect from sharp edges on the plate. We do not want to cut ourselves as we're measuring and laying out material. Some of the other tools that we will need will be the tape measure and a combination square. Now we will demonstrate some of the controls. This is the main power switch. This is 480 volts, very, very high voltage. This is a disconnect switch. If somebody were to get shocked or something like that, you would want to automatically shut the switch off. The machine is now on. This is the light switch. This will light up in between the blades and let you see the material and the marks that you've put on the machine. Now we're going to talk just a little bit about the control panel. First thing, this is the power switch. You will pull out easily on this switch and it will start it. To shut it off, you just simply push it in. We have an emergency up button, which I will demonstrate in just a minute. We have a run and jog switch. We have a Rake Angle switch. We have a speed control for the back gauge in the back. We have a back gauge that will go forward and reverse. We have in the metric system or at US customary measurement in digital. We have an hour meter that tells us when to service this machine. We have a remote control outlet. Our remote control would be this foot pedal. This foot pedal does exactly the same thing as the shear switch. Some of the options in the machine and safety features would be the cylinder guards, the tabs for safety and caution signs, the finger guard so our hands do not get inside of the cutting area. We have a shear blade control arm. We have a hold down control arm. We have individual hold downs. And now we're going to discuss the rake angle. The rake angle is the amount of force, just like a pair of scissors. The more we increase the angle of the shear blade, the more pressure that we have to cut thicker material. This machine will cut 3/8 of an inch by 8 foot long. So here is the amount of angle. We can go from 16 gauge to 3/8 with the rake angle. Here is how we would adjust that rake angle. Either up or down to adjust for the different metal thicknesses that we have. And now we're at the demonstration portion. We will show you how the cut is made on the back part of the machine following this. I have cut some 5/8 inch dowel pins that are solid wood to demonstrate what it would be like to have your fingers inside of a glove. We are now going to show you the cut with your fingers in the wrong place. I have now put these into a welding glove into the machine. That is how easy it would be to remove your fingers. Okay, I am going to now demonstrate what it would be like for you to get your fingers underneath a piece of metal as it is being sheared just by the hold downs. We are going to use 2 hot dogs inside of a glove. This is now the end of the safety video for shear safety for the Autry welding students. Thank you.